The next great event which will be discussed is mentioned in chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 247.
And their prophet said to them, "Indeed, Allah has sent to you Saul as a king." They said, "How can he have kingship over us, while we are more worthy of kingship than him, and he has not been given any measure of wealth?" He said, "Indeed, Allah has chosen him over you, and has increased him abundantly in knowledge and stature."
This great event reminds Muslims that greatness and true success is not connected to worldly things, such as wealth or fame. A person may obtain some worldly success through these things, but it is quite obvious, if one turns the pages of history, that this type of success is very temporary, and it eventually becomes a burden and regret for a person. A Muslim should never believe that superiority lies in these things, thereby dedicating themselves to obtaining them, while neglecting their duties to Allah, the Exalted, and the creation. Nor should they look down at others who do not possess these worldly things, believing they have no value or significance, as this attitude contradicts the teachings of Islam. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has advised in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6071, that the people of paradise are those who are considered insignificant by society, and concluded that if they took an oath on something, Allah, the Exalted, would fulfill it for them. True honor, success and greatness in this world and the next only lies in piety. So the more one sincerely strives to fulfill the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refrain from his prohibitions and faces destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, the greater they are, even if they appear insignificant to society. Chapter 49 Al-Hujurat verse 13.
Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you.
A sign of true success in this world, which is only obtained through piety, is peace of mind and body. This is true success as every person, irrespective of what they possess, strives to obtain it. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
But if one strives to obtain peace of mind in the wrong place, such as seeking it through wealth and fame, they will only go further from it. Chapter 20 Taha, verse 124.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life, and we will gather, i.e. raise him on the day of resurrection blind.
A Muslim should therefore search for true success in this, and not waste their time and efforts in searching for it in worldly things, otherwise they may well reach the hereafter a great loser. Chapter 18 Al-Kahf, verses 103 to 104.
Say, shall we believers inform you of the greatest losers as to their deeds? They are those whose effort is lost in worldly life, while they think that they are doing well in work.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.